This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're making vegetable stir fry using frozen veggies and Walmart roast chicken. So you can make this dish for pennies on the dollar. Here's a bag of 500 grams of frozen veggies. Here we have the Walmart brand of baby blend veggies. So this is a grade A product, so I'm pretty confident about it. So first put all the veggies into a bowl, large bowl. So you can see there's a nice variety of veggies here. You got the corn, you got some peas, you got some carrots. And what I like about it is the baby corn, which a lot of restaurants like to use when they make their stir fries. So you can thaw the veggies out if you like, but I do it when I need to make this dish fast, so I put boiling water in there. But if you have the time, you can thaw the veggies out. So next we're just going to dump the veggies. So next we're just going to strain the veggies, let it dry for a bit before we stir fry. So first we have some aromatics. So a good combination is ginger and garlic. I use it for a lot of Chinese cooking. You can also use onions, carrots. Those are also aromatics. So aromatics brings out the flavor in your stir fry because when you grill up the aromatics to bring out more flavor. Depending how much ginger you put in, I like to put lots. So if most people probably just want to put maybe this much. So that's about a teaspoon. I put lots of ginger, so I put a big piece. Smash it up like that. And then I put 3 cloves of garlic. You put more or less, that's up to you. So I like to smash it up like this. Get rid of that little piece there. So I like to smash up garlic like this. So I put about 3 pieces here. So smash it up like that. So I don't chop them out, I just put it together for the stir fry. So preheat your wok, put the oil in there, swish it around. First I'm going to put in the aromatics, the chopped ginger and the chopped garlic. Give it a quick stir fry. Your aromatics will bring out a lot of flavor in your stir fry, especially when you're doing frozen veggies. So I put half an onion in here. I sliced up the onions. So onions are also aromatics to bring out flavor when you stir fry them. Carrots are also aromatic. So add whatever you like. For me, these 3 are a good combination. Ginger, garlic, and onion. Put in your veggies. So it's good to have the heat on high to cook veggies, but with frozen veggies, it doesn't really matter because the veggies are wet. It's not going to get a good sear. So I like to put a little of this Himalayan pink salt, rock salt. So just put a few shakes of that. Brings up the flavor, sharpens the flavor in your stir fry. I like to put a little light soy sauce. This is a Kikkoman low sodium soy sauce. So put about 2 tablespoons or tablespoon in there. And then I put my favorite sauce, the Chinese oyster flavor sauce. The oyster flavor sauce. So I'll put a tablespoon or 2 in there. So now you can add the chicken. So I cut the pieces of chicken from the Walmart roast chicken in big pieces. So you can use raw chicken if you like, but you grill the chicken first in the wok before you put in the veggies. But this is a quick way to make chicken veggie stir fry. So just before you take off your order, put in some sesame oil. So this is pure sesame oil. Don't buy the ones that are blended using the cheap oil with the sesame oil. You buy the 100% pure sesame oil. It's worth the money. You get a real nice nutty flavor. You get the nice aroma from the sesame oil. So that's it. Ready to be served. This is the frozen veggie stir fry with the Walmart roast chicken. Ooh, it looks steaming hot right out of the wok. So you get nice veggies with the chicken. So the veggies are pretty crispy. You get lots of flavor for pennies on the dollar compared to $15 to $20 from a Chinese takeout or a Chinese restaurant. You gotta try this.
Stay tuned for future episodes. I'm going to show you how to make 7 different Chinese recipes using one whole Walmart chicken.
How you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.